Are you looking for the best starter heat shields in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best starter heat shields that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Design Engineering Starter Heat Shield. The Design Engineering Starter Heat Shield is an excellent addition to any engine bay. The aluminized heat-reflective material and high-temp rated glass fiber insulation barrier make it well equipped to handle up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit of direct heat and 2000 degrees Fahrenheit of radiant heat. This starter heat shield wrap is easy to install with a hook and loop closure system, meaning no need to remove the starter for installation. It does an excellent job of protecting your starters from potential failure caused by under-the-hood heat-soak conditions, as well as other engine components such as master cylinders, cool cans, distributors, fuel pumps, and more. The heat shield wrap is lightweight yet durable enough to withstand the most extreme conditions, while also being flexible enough to fit most starters and other engine components. It also has a low-profile design that allows for a cleaner-looking engine bay. This product offers superior insulation and protection, while still offering a sleek and unobtrusive design perfect for any engine bay. All of this makes it stand out from all the other options on the list. Up next in the 4th place is the Ateam Performance Starter Heat Shield. The Ateam Starter Heat Shield provides an excellent solution for those looking for protection from extreme heat under the hood. It's designed specifically to protect starter motors and other components from damaging temperatures and radiant heat. This product is made with an aluminized heat-reflective material on one side and a high-temp rated glass fiber insulation barrier on the other, offering protection up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit of direct heat and 2000 degrees of radiant heat. This product is easy to install, coming with a hook and loop closure system, so you don't need to remove the starter for installation. It is a durable product, capable of lasting for years, even in the most demanding conditions. Plus, you can even use it for other components besides starter motors, such as master cylinders, cool cans, distributors, fuel pumps, and more. All in all, this is an excellent choice when it comes to providing heat protection for crucial engine components. The high-quality construction and versatile design make it a great option for any automotive enthusiast. The 3rd product on our list is the Wisato Starter Heat Shield. The Wisato Starter Heat Shield is an ideal solution for those looking to protect parts and components from damaging radiant heat. The blanket measures 12 x 24 inches and has a thickness of 0.32 inches, allowing for simple trimming into desired shapes and sizes. Even with the reflective surface, it can withstand temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and can provide protection from extreme heat, chemical and oil spills, dirt, grease, and road grime. What sets this product apart from others is its convenient adhesive backing. This allows for an easy application with a professional-like finish. It is made from a glass fiber fabric with an aluminized outer facing, making it reliable and durable. Those who purchase this product can rest assured that they are purchasing a quality item that will last them through many projects. Overall, this is a great choice for serious DIers who are looking for protection against extreme heat, chemical and oil spills, dirt, grease, and road grime. Its large size allows for easy trimming into desired shapes and sizes, while its adhesive backing ensures easy installation with a professional-like finish. Second on our list is the Flaccid Starter Heat Shield. The Flaccid Starter Heat Shield is an excellent product that offers exceptional heat protection and insulation. This product is made of an aluminized finish, which is flexible and durable and can withstand temperatures up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. The highly reflective surface of the heat shield offers maximum protection against heat and is capable of reducing up to 95% of radiant heat. Furthermore, the adhesive composite on its back allows for easy application to any surface, resulting in a professional-like finish. This product is suitable for use in multiple areas apart from car starters, such as plastic components, painted surfaces, hoses, firewalls, refrigerators, cabinets near ovens, hoods, and many more. All in all, this is an effective and efficient product that offers superior protection from excessive heat. Finally, the top product on our list is the Thermo-Tec Starter Heat Shield. The Thermo-Tec Starter Heat Shield is designed to protect parts and components, like painted surfaces and plastic parts, from damaging radiant heat. This product is made up of a woven silica cloth with a flexible aluminized finish, giving it a highly reflective surface that can withstand temperatures up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, the adhesive backing makes for an easy application to any surface. Furthermore, the barrier can be easily wrapped around a hose or wire for a clean and professional look. Overall, this is an excellent product for those looking for an effective heat shield that won't break the bank. Not only does it have excellent heat protection capabilities, but its reflective surface also means that it can be applied to parts with ease. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.